Thailand tour here. A little bit of filming for you on a Sunday in John TM. Nothing shuts down in Thailand. All the workers, they don't work from Monday to Friday. They work 7 days a week. Here's a little bit of footage I've just got together for you of them putting some electric cables up and how it's done. Yeah, he's up the pole there, connecting electric cables up. But want to see how they get them up there? This is how it's done in Thailand. It's quite interesting. If we can follow the cable. There's another one down there. They basically lay the cable right along the road. And obviously the length of that cable is quite heavy. So believe it or not, this is what they do. They attach a cable to the back of a pickup truck. And then they tow the cable along the road attached to the back of a pickup truck. And if you can see that, it's strong sunlight here today. 34 degrees on a Sunday. It's hot. That's how it's done. Very clever. You never see this done in England like this. Not the way they do it out here. Everybody's got different ideas of how to fix electric cables high up onto a pole, but this is how it's done in Thailand. There's no health and safety here. You'd be lucky if he's got a hard hat on. He won't have no steel toe cap boots. He'd probably have anything, right down to a pair of flip-flops. They don't care. They're not into heavy footwear out here on the industrial side of things. I've noticed that. Let's see what this guy's got on his feet. See? Not a lot. This is how the Thais go to work. Nothing at all there to protect his feet from anything dropping on it. Look at that. You wouldn't be allowed to do that in England. That's his footwear. So the aim here today is to get this cable, which is here down on the ground, up onto these poles along here. There's one of the new poles they've just put in. And along. I don't know how many cables they're actually going to be putting up there. But the pickup truck's on his way back down again. They may be attaching another one to the back of this pickup truck. We will see in a minute. Hope you like these construction videos on how workers work in Thailand. Totally different to what we're used to in England. see we've got the soy dogs over here chilling out in 34 degrees. It must be hot for them. No helmets, they don't care. They got helmets there, but we're not wearing them. Just a tiny little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Some more construction workers at work. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends if they got an interest in the building trade or in Thailand. This is Thailand Rick, saying bye for now, and I will see you in another video very, very soon. Bye.